I pulled the trigger, and the firing pin didn't go all the way up or something, and the bullet didn't go off, and I had to eject the bullet. It was bolt action, and then put another round in, dude. And the deer's like staring at me, and I did it.
No.
Yeah, I did it though, and I kept that round. You look at the rifle round, and you can see the hole where the firing pin hit, but didn't go through.
Yeah.
Yeah, I still got it. I was like, what the
Dude,
fuck?
I've watched a lot of things on Discovery Channel, etc. Do you also eat the liver raw?
Uh, no, we everything but the back straps, the meat or the steaks and all that. Some people do like
Yeah,
my great grandfather ate the liver and like all that shit, but I won't.
yeah. No, I'm just asking because I've seen some hunting shows, and soon as they shoot the deer or whatever, they have to have a bite of the liver raw.
Yeah, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it, dude.
Fuck it. Yeah, exactly. Fuck that.
It's bad enough doing the field dressing. I'm not even gonna go there. I'll probably get banned. It's not
Explain
pretty.
field dressing.
Yeah, it's like gutting the deer, I guess.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
unpleasant. It's like it looks like a crime scene. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I get that. But is it advisable to sort of gut the deer right there?
Yeah, if you're hauling it, moving the deer, it is. And then like the wolves or where we are, the coy dogs will come up and eat the remains of the whatever.
Yes, sir. Fair enough.